Ted Drake, Head of Accessibility and Inclusive Design, Intuit USA, contributes to the Global Accessibility Pulse 2026 for GAAD and Intopia.
Is the internet more accessible than it was 10 years ago? That's a good question, but it's a bit limited. The short answer is absolutely. See, 10 years ago, we had to deal with Angular and the concept that everything is a div with an event handler. What's a button? Who cares? I can make it a span. I can make it a div. I can put an event handler on that H1 thingy. This gave developers and designers free rein to throw out our semantic HTML and build slop. But that's only part of the story. We've seen this over and over. The web started out really good, but then we made it flashy and bloated and unusable. Then we started over with semantic, standards-based web development. But then came Web 2.0 with dynamic applications that broke how the web should work. But we also had great foundations with the Yahoo User Interface Library, jQuery, Mobile First, WordPress, and Drupal. But then came Angular. Ugh. And then came React. Ugh. And then came React Mobile. Worse than Angular. So we finally got rid of Angular and we managed React, and now we have generative AI, which started out by barfing Angular-like nonsense. So where are we today? We're at a point where we could actually have a better web. Today's AI engines are doing a fairly decent job writing accessible code without prompting. Bloated, sure, but it could pass automated testing. The GAAD Foundation's AI Model Accessibility Checker project is actually tracking the progress of AI-generated code without accessibility prompting, and is promising. However, we have a ton of potential. We need to be proactive and create skills that force our AI engines to not only pass WCAG standards, but also control focus, use semantic markup, reduce bloating, use design systems, include data visualization, inclusive data visualization, create alt text responsibly. But let's not stop there. Let's also force AI to develop for readability, inclusive design practices, trauma-informed principles, respect cognitive load, intersectionality, usability. Let's make it create code that respects the user's system preferences and provides personalization options. Now's the time to raise the floor and make everyone's experience ideal. In fact, let's challenge our AI to deliver a web page that doesn't use heavy JavaScript platform. Imagine that. Imagine a website that loads quickly on an older phone in the middle of the Australian outback. I have hope for the next 10 years, but that's only going to happen if we, the accessibility community, are part of the system that's developing our AI programming systems. As a friend of mine stated, now's the time we need to preserve our accessibility soul in the era of slop. I'm Ted Drake. Thank you.
Watch all the responses to the Global Accessibility Pulse 2026 at intopia.digital/global-accessibility-pulse-2026.